Hold on to your seats as we delve into the intricacies of the 13X500 6 inches tiller tire and wheel, our number 5 pick in the best-selling wheels on Amazon. Why is this tire a standout? Well, it's not just any ordinary wheel. You're looking at a heavy-duty 4-ply tire, engineered to tackle the toughest terrains with ease. The sharp-angled tread elements are designed for maximum pulling and pushing power, making it an ideal choice for garden tractors, tillers, and trenchers. Before you click that buy button, let's break down the specifics. The tire model is a robust 13X500 6R with a diameter of 13 inches and a width of 5 inches. Perfectly balanced with a centered hub length of 3/1/8 inches and a bearing bore of 1 inch. This wheel ensures smooth and efficient performance. Let's talk pinholes. The hub features strategically placed pinholes on one side, with a diameter of 0.354 inches and a distance of 0.59 inches from the hub edge. These precise measurements ensure a snug fit and optimal functionality. When it comes to replacement, this set includes both a left and a right wheel. Important tip: always check the size data of your old tire before purchasing to ensure a perfect match. Mounting the tire is a breeze if you follow the directional guide on the tire. Proper alignment guarantees that the tire's performance will be at its peak, providing you with the traction and stability needed for your tasks. In summary, the 13X500 6 inches tiller tire and wheel isn't just a replacement, it's an upgrade. Elevate your equipment's performance with this top-notch tire and wheel set. Ready to take on the challenge? Grab yours now and experience the difference. Get ready to elevate your ride with our number 4 pick in the best-selling wheels on Amazon. The Carlisle HD Field Trax ATV Tire 25X139. This tire is a game-changer for those seeking durability, stability, and exceptional performance. Picture this: a tire that's not just built to last, but designed to conquer. The Carlisle HD Field Trax is your go-to for ATVs, utility vehicles, side-by-side vehicles, and fun carts. It's crafted from long-lasting materials, ensuring you get the maximum life out of every tread. Stability is key, and this tire delivers with its wide construction. Whether you're navigating rugged terrains or cruising through fields, the Carlisle HD Field Trax offers unparalleled stability, giving you the confidence to tackle any path. But that's not all. This tire is engineered with damage-resistant compounds. Rocks, debris, rough surfaces, no problem. The Carlisle HD Field Trax shrugs off damage, keeping you rolling smoothly and securely. Designed for vehicle-specific fit, it guarantees compatibility and performance tailored to your ride. Just remember, this is the tire only, so you'll need your own rim to complete the setup. In essence, the Carlisle HD Field Trax ATV Tire 25X139 is more than a tire. It's a promise of adventure, durability, and reliability. Equip your vehicle with this powerhouse and experience the ultimate in off-road performance. Get yours today and feel the difference. Introducing the powerhouse at number 3 in our countdown of best-selling wheels on Amazon, the Trailer Wheel Rim 15X66, lug on 5.5 in. Silver Modular 2,830 pounds. Why does this wheel rim stand out? Let's dive into the details. This modular rim boasts a size of 15 inches by 6 inches, perfectly designed to deliver strength and style. With a maximum load capacity of 2,830 pounds, this rim is built to handle the toughest loads with ease. The bolt configuration? It's a precise 6 lug with a 5.5-inch center. This ensures a secure fit, making it compatible with a wide range of popular boat trailer brands. From Alumacraft to Lund, Mako to Nitro, and Tracker to Triton. This wheel rim is a versatile choice for all your boating needs. But the versatility doesn't stop there. This rim is also compatible with many utility and cargo trailer brands. Whether you own a Big Tex, Carry-On, EZ Hauler, or Wells Cargo, this rim is designed to fit seamlessly and perform flawlessly. Constructed with a 0-inch offset, it provides a perfect balance and stability for your trailer. The silver modular design not only adds a sleek look, but also enhances the durability of the rim, ensuring it stands up to the elements and the road. In summary, the trailer wheel rim 15x66 lug on 5.5 in. Silver modular 2,830 pounds. Is more than just a wheel, it's a statement of reliability, strength, and versatility. Equip your trailer with this rim and experience unmatched performance and style. Grab yours today and elevate your trailer's potential. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling wheels on Amazon? Well, don't let the wheels fall off this ride. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on any of these smooth moves. Coming in at number 2 on our list of best-selling wheels on Amazon, we have the 5 Lug Bolt Pattern Template Vertical Bar Trailer Axle Bolt Circle Template. This ingenious tool is a game-changer for anyone working with trailer wheels and axles. Imagine never having to guess which 5 lug bolt pattern your wheel or hub is ever again. With this durable plastic template, designed for long-term use, your days of uncertainty are over. The template is meticulously marked for all common 5 lug bolt patterns: 5 on 4.5 inches, 5 on 4 3/4 inches, 5 on 5 inches, and 5 on 5.5 inches. These clear markings ensure you always get an accurate fit. Using it couldn't be simpler. Just line the template up over the wheel's bolt holes or slide it over the lug bolts. The precisely marked holes guide you to the correct pattern every time. No more trial and error, no more frustration. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is a must-have in your arsenal. Its durability ensures it will be a reliable companion for all your trailer maintenance needs. In essence, the 5 Lug Bolt Pattern Template isn't just a tool, it's your key to efficiency and precision. Equip yourself with this essential item and experience the ease and confidence it brings to your work. Get yours today and never second-guess a bolt pattern again. And now, we've reached the pinnacle of our top 5 best-selling wheels on Amazon. Taking the coveted number 1 spot is the CURT 282766-inch caster trailer jack wheel replacement fits 2-in tube, 1,200 pounds. This remarkable product is the ultimate solution for adding mobility and ease to your trailer. Imagine the convenience of effortlessly moving your boat or utility trailer. This 6-inch by 2-inch caster wheel attaches seamlessly to your trailer jack, transforming your trailer into a smoothly maneuverable machine. Coupling and uncoupling your trailer becomes a breeze, saving you time and effort. Let's talk strength. This caster wheel isn't just about convenience, it's about reliability. Rated to support up to 1,200 pounds of tongue weight, it's perfect for a wide variety of trailer types. Whether you're hauling boats, cargo, or equipment, this wheel has got you covered. Versatility is at its core. This trailer jack wheel replacement fits virtually any trailer jack with a 2-inch diameter tube. It's a one-size-fits-most solution, making it an ideal choice for many trailer owners. Installation is a snap, thanks to the included safety pin. This pin secures the wheel onto the jack, ensuring it stays in place during use and can be quickly removed if needed. No fuss, no hassle, just straightforward functionality. And let's not forget durability. The bracket is constructed from zinc-plated steel, while the wheel itself is made from durable poly, offering exceptional corrosion resistance. This means your trailer jack wheel will withstand the elements and the test of time, providing long-lasting performance. In summary, the CURT 282766-inch caster trailer jack wheel replacement is not just a replacement wheel, it's a game changer. It offers easy mobility, reliable strength, versatile design, quick installation, and lasting durability. Elevate your trailer experience with this #1 bestseller and enjoy the ultimate in trailer maneuverability. Grab yours today and feel the difference. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling wheels on Amazon. To keep up with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the bestsellers we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.